Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of blue. The next one is green. Now we are using the color of yellow. Kids, the next one is red color. Now we are using the color of white. And the last one is black. First we are coloring the shape of star, and now we are using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are mixing and using the color of blue. Kids, the next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. Now we are using the color of green. Now we are using the color of green. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is square. Kids, now we coloring the shape of square and using yellow color. Now we are using the color of yellow. The next one is triangle. Now we are using the color of red. Now we're mixing and using the color of red. Kids, the next one is circle. The shape of circle. Now we are using the color of white. Now we're mixing and using the color of white. Subscribe to our channel. The shape of circle, and the next one is trapezoid. Now we are using the color of black. Now we are using the color of black. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Today we coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.